Alright, whose bike is that?
That's mine.
Oh, okay. See what you filming?
Yeah.
Oh, this is my 2013 bike check. I've got the Dan Lacey Easy Green frame with move forward. The Federal Liquid forks. There we go. Éclat, bezerk, rim, spokes, and a hub. I keep forgetting about this shit. I've got front and back tyres are FF 2.3, I think it is. Yeah, 2.3. Then headsets BSD integrated. Coat Salvation black top load with BSD giraffic bars and BSD lovely BSD grips. I think they're Chris Giles grips, I don't know. With wait, what does it say on that bar end?
A bikes.
A bike, purple bar end. Let's see, it's over here.
Peg.
My seat. No, fuck the peg. My seat is a BSD fat. I don't know what it's called. Cranks, United Values, had them for a year, still running, they're perfect. Then premium pedals. Look, that side's perfect, that side's perfect. And then look on this side. Grinded off and fucking screws on the other side. They're shit. Then a Shadow V2 interlocks chain, BSD superlite sproket. My bottom bracket is a get the light over here. Proper bike coat. It's a proper bike coat in purple. Then my tyres fit FEF. Custom back wheel with BSD spokes, alienation black sheep rim, and a purple profile racing mini SS hub, I think it is. Pegs are wethepeople Toxics. I've had them for 2 years, they're still perfect. Then my back hub guard is a fuck, what is it?
I think it's a BSD.
No, a BSD or profile, one of the two. My dust caps are plastic. What else is there on my bike?
Hub guard.
Oh yeah, no, oh yeah, front hub guard. It's shit, I don't even know, I think it's a proper one.
Proper, yeah.
If you have any suggestions, like what one to get for me, because like this is shit. Look at my spokes, don't look at me. Look, they're all like fucking grinded off, they're shit. Oh yeah, seat post is just United. Ah shit, a United. What else is there on my bike?
I think you covered everything.
Oh yeah, my shoes are low tech 2013 Mid Wolf. Lovely.
Black Wolf.
No, it's Midnight Wolf.
You just said Mid Wolf.
Fuck it, it's Midnight Wolf. Yeah, that's it for this bike, I think. Do you want to see Ghosty?
Yeah.
That was fucking awesome.